Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix SMB network discovery not working on Windows 11. First, we need to make sure your network is set to private. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Network and Internet. If you are using a wired connection, click on Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. Select your active network connection. Now look for the network profile type. Make sure it is set to private and not public. Private allows your PC to discover other devices on the same network. Next, we will enable network discovery. Stay inside Settings and click on Network and Internet again. Scroll down and choose Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Under the Private Network section, turn on Network Discovery. Also, turn on File and Printer Sharing. This allows your computer to find shared devices and folders on the network. Now we will enable SMB 1.0 support. Click on the Start menu and search for Turn Windows features on or off. Open it from the results. In the list, scroll down until you find SMB 1.0 or CIFS file sharing support. Check the box next to it. Click OK and wait for the installation to complete. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, check your network again. Network discovery should now be working properly. Thanks for watching.